Hey guys, our today's topic is about Facebook Instant Experience, and it is an amazing feature given by Facebook. If you are running an ad on Facebook, then you must probably check out this one. If you want to give a faster experience to your audience, then this is the best tool for you. This is the best feature that Facebook give to you. So what is Facebook Instant Experience? It's a mini web page, or you can say a landing page hosted within a Facebook. That means you can create your own landing page or your own one page single page website within a Facebook and host it within a Facebook for free. And whenever you run ads, the people will click on your ad and they will redirect to your landing page, and it loads really fast because it is hosted within a Facebook. And you can definitely give your website link on that landing page, and people will audience will definitely redirect to your main page or main website wherever you want your audience to redirect from that landing page. There is one thing that you need to keep in mind. It is only applicable for mobile devices. The ad will not run on desktop devices. There is no coding language required. It's just an easy drag and drop thing. Even Facebook will give you a free template where you can use it, and it is completely customizable. So let's see how we can build a ad with a Facebook Instant Experience. So this is a Facebook Instant Experience page, just an information page for helping you out. Let's see how your ad will look like. This is just an example of how your ad will look like, and you can probably see this is a mini web page where people will redirect from your ad and they can have a great experience. You can create these kind of ads, these kind of mini web pages within a Facebook. And there are a lot of features like instant storefront. This is one type of ad. Let's play it. So this is how your ad will look like if you want to sell your product shopping for shopping. Then people will click on your ad and they will redirect to these kind of pages. You can create these kind of landing pages. There are other things like instant forms. People audience will fill out your form within a Facebook. Instant custom acquisition. You can create customer acquisition landing page. You can create instant storytelling like this one. This is really amazing. This is simply cool. Okay, so you can create an instant lookbook for your shopping ads. You can add a pricing also, pricing tag in within a Facebook. See how cool it is. It's really amazing. You can add a price also, and people will share and shop from your landing page. Now let's see how we can create this ad. Just go to your Facebook account and click on create ad. Okay, now click on create ad. It will redirect you to the ad manager. So you need to select the ad objective for your ad. Let's suppose if I'm click on this traffic ad, that means I want to drive a traffic to my website. So just click on traffic and click on continue. If you are running an ad, you know these kind of processes. So this is your new ad campaign. You can give a campaign name. Let's suppose if I give it FB instant experience ad. This is ad campaign name. Within ad campaign there is ad sets, and within ad sets there are ads. So we are not covering this ad kind of thing, so I'm directly switching to this new ad. Okay, you need to select a page. I've already selected one of my page. If you want to create a simple ad, you can create a single image or video carousel and collection ad from here. But if you want an instant experience, that means you want to create a page within a Facebook, then you need to click this add instant experience checkbox. Now after clicking it, you see this small drop down menu. When you click here, you can see there are few options, that is customer acquisition, storytelling, sell products, and and custom instant experience and AR experience. So you can select any kind of ad. Let's suppose if I select customer acquisition. So this is a simple template that Facebook already gave you, and you don't need to do anything. Just click here. This is how your page, mini page looks like, and you can edit this mini page in Facebook as well as in Instagram also. So if I want to edit this, let's suppose if I want to edit this image or I want to replace this image, so I can replace it from here. You can see a replace image here. So I just click on replace image, and after clicking here you can select the image from your pages. Okay, so let's suppose if I click on this image and click on continue, the image will be replaced. See how simple it is. And if you want to add this text, so you don't need to do anything, just click here within a text dialog box and you can edit this text. Okay, write whatever you want to write here. And if you want to edit this text, then you can probably add something like this. So this will be added here, and this is button, write something. So in a button section you can write anything. Let's suppose if I type buy now, so you can edit anything. You can write anything in this button, and below this button there is carousel image. You can see if I want to replace these images, you can simply click go to this carousel dialog box and click on first image, and if you want to replace this first image, just click on replace this image and select whatever you want to select from your within your page, or upload your own file. So I'm not doing it, I'm just exploring it. So now below this carousel you can see a text, so you can edit this text also. See how simple it is, just a drag and drop, or it is self-explanatory. You need not to do much things. Now if you want to give this button a name, then just give it a name, buy now, and just click on done. Your simple single page mini website is ready, that is hosted within a Facebook. Now let's explore second option, confirm. Within this template there is storytelling. If I click on this storytelling, this is another template by Facebook which is given, which you can use to run your ads. So see how cool it looks. It's great experience for your customer. You can edit everything within this Facebook. Okay, now let's suppose if I don't want to use this template, I want to create my own mini web page, then you need to select this custom instant experience. If I select this custom instant experience, there is nothing right now. I want to add certain things. Let's suppose if I add a header, obviously first is header, and click OK. Within a header you can upload an image. Let's suppose if I upload this image, confirm. So this small image is added here. If I don't want this logo, so I can add this text option. Just write welcome to my page. Okay, this is heading, and you can definitely edit the color of this heading. Okay, if I want to keep it red, then just keep it red or change any of the color. Let's suppose if I keep it blue, and if I want to add a certain background, then I can give background to this text. Okay, just keep it here, close. So this heading section is added, and now if I want to add suppose if I want to add a carousel below this, so just click on carousel and click OK. So this carousel has been added. Now if I want to add an image, just click on upload image, and let's suppose if I click on this image, continue, the image will be uploaded. And if I want to give my website URL here, let's suppose if I want to give a destination URL to my page, if I want to redirect customer from my this landing page to my Facebook page, then I will give my Facebook page URL here. If I want to redirect my customers to my own website, then I will give my own website links here. So let's suppose if I want to give my own website link, then I would probably give it homestore.in. So let's suppose if I want to redirect people to this website, just copy this URL and paste it over here. So whenever someone click on this image, the people will redirect, or sorry, if someone swipe up, then they will redirect to this this landing page. Okay, now I want to add second image. Then just click on upload and click on second image, or you can upload your own image also. This is just an example. So the second image is also added. You can add multiple images up to 10 within these slides. Now if I want to add another component, let's suppose if I want to add a video, then I would select a video and click OK. So this video section has been added. Currently I don't have any video, so I'm not adding this video section. Just delete it. So I can add a text box. Okay, so I can write anything in depth in this text box. See how simple it is. Okay, I can bold it, complete text, and change the color slightly. Okay, and I can improve, I can resize this text. See how simple it is. Okay, just keep it like this. Now if I want to add some images also, then just click on photos and upload any kind of photo here. Okay, I'm just, for example, I'm uploading from my page only. See how simple it is. If I want to add a button, then just click on button and click OK. So this button has been added. Within a button section you can write anything. Let's suppose if I click on visit website now. So see how simple it is. You can give your website URL here, and you can change button color and outline. Just click on this button. Let's suppose if I keep it blue, and if I want to change it, no, I don't want to change it. If I want to change a text color, then I could probably do that. See how simple it is, and your single mini page website is ready within a Facebook. And if someone swipe this up, they will redirect it to your own landing page. So see how simple it is. Just save it, and when you save it, it will be saved within your ads. Just give it a title, test every instant experience. Okay, just saved it. Okay, now you're done. You're ready to launch this page, and you can run an ad now. Finish. Let's finish it. If you want to preview this website, this mini page, then you can click on click here, and if you want to see the preview of your ad, you can see a preview here. We haven't optimized our ad, that's why it is not showing here, but once we optimize our ad within these ad sets, then it will be shown here also. So that's it for today. If you have any kind of doubt related to Facebook ads and blogging and digital marketing, feel free to ding me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is digitalbaijan. Go ahead and follow me or ding me. I will definitely help you guys. So that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends who wanted to learn free blogging and digital marketing courses. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.